Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. So you want to know more about how to know if a dog's tick bite is infected? These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about how to know if a dog's tick bite is infected is dogs.thefuntimesguide.com. See the page titled How to Tell if your dog has Lyme disease from a tick bite. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.puppy-training-solutions.com, especially the page Tick Bite Symptoms, How to Recognize Symptoms of Ticks in. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see dogs.answers.com. The web page What you need to know about ticks and treating tick bites. Here's the link.